Hello viewers, welcome back to the channel. Here we come again with a very amazing and beautiful video. But today is not budget friendly, not eco friendly, some expensive item. So please must watch video till the end. Hope you like it. In this video we explore the most stylish pine tree decoration ideas, from rustic jute ribbons to sparkling crystal ornaments, blending nature, creativity and mindfulness, perfect for your cozy Christmas setup. So as the air turns colder and light begins to twinkle, it's time to bring your home to life with magic of Christmas. Today we will explore the most stylish and beautifully designed pine trees decoration ideas that turn your Christmas tree into stunning centerpiece of your festive house. Whether you love minimalist elegance, rustic charm, or glamorous sparkle, these ideas will inspire you to decorate with love, mindfulness, and creativity. The Christmas pine tree is more than just decoration, it's a symbol of life, hope, and renewal. Every branches hold a story, every ornament carries a memory. From the very first sparkle of the fairy lights to the final touch of a golden star on top, decorating your tree can be peaceful, heartwarming ritual. So take a deep breath, feel the joy, the calm, and the spirit of the season as we will start creative journey. Start by giving your pine tree a solid base. If you using real tree, trim the bottom and place it a steady stand with water. It keeps the tree fresh and fragrant. For artificial tree, gently spread each branch to create fullness and natural shape. Now add a touch of life. Wrap the base with burlap jute or cozy knitted tree skirt. The simple step brings warmth, texture, and polished look, giving your setup a designer touch. Lights are the soul of Christmas tree. Choose between warm white or elegant glow or multicolor for a fun, nostalgic vibe. Always start from the bottom, weaving the lights inward and outward along each branch. Step back, look at your tree from different angles. As you light it soft glowing, lights will turn your pine tree into a radiant and make every moment shine brighter. Before hanging ornaments, decide your color palettes. Here with some stylish theme: rustic, natural, use pine cone, wooden ornaments, and jute ribbon for any inch charm. Perfect for luxury look. Metallic gold, snow white, and crystal accent. Keep it natural with white, silver, and soft natural tones. The timeless festive favorite, joyful, bright, and full of tradition. Your color story ties everything together. It's a, what makes your tree feel cozy and magical. Now come the fun part, decorating. Start with larger ornaments first, hang them deeper inside the tree to create depth, then move to smaller, move more detailed pieces near the outer edge. Try mixing texture, glossy bubbles, matte finishing, crystal drop, and handmade ornaments. Add pine cones painted with silver or gold edges or the small bundles of cinnamon sticks with geotrope for a cozy scent. If you love DIY, you can create your own ornaments using recycled material, old fabric, ribbon, paper, stars, or dried sucker slice. The handmade piece not only looks unique but also carry your personal touch. A reminder the beauty can come from simplicity and sustainability. Ribbons and garlands bring motion and flow to your tree. Try layering silk, velvet, or jute ribbon, cascading down or weaving them around like Spirals for natural look using garland made for wood, beads, popcorn, or dried oranges sliced. They add a vintage heartwarming charm and make your tree smell amazing. Too much clutter hides the beauty of your pine tree natural shape. The final moment, placing the tree